The 21st century brings its citizens a quality of life undreamed of 50 years ago. For the teeming millions in the cities, expectations have risen sharply in line with increasing prosperity. Their comfort, convenience, safety, and mobility is taken for granted. Underpinning this, and invisible to those who live and work there, are the arteries of the city. Hundreds of kilometers of pipes and ducting bring fresh water to business and homes, spirit away the waste, and carry the optic fibers and cables which feed the information-hungry offices. In over 70 countries, these essential services are provided by the market leader in advanced pipe technology, the Amiantit Group. While pipes of every shape and size lie at the heart of the Amiantit story, they're only a small part of it, a key component which depends on exploiting the most up-to-date engineering techniques and materials. With 34 production plants spread across the USA, South America, Europe, North Africa, South Africa, the Middle East, India, and China, Amiantit is a major international manufacturer in its own right, investing heavily in research and development. It owns many of the technologies and licenses them to joint venture partnership companies and manufacturers around the world. These include glass-reinforced polyester and glass-reinforced epoxy production, continuous helical winding for GRP pipe systems, high-density polyethylene pipe systems, and concrete and ductile iron technology. Offering such a wide range of pipes and associated products demands different technologies for different applications. Ductile iron pipes, typically used in the transmission of water, offer very high elongation and tensile strengths. Protected against internal and external corrosion, they have a service life of at least 50 years. Amiantit makes pipes using GRP, glass-reinforced polyester technology. For drinking water, firefighting, seawater cooling, waste disposal and industrial chemicals. They're lightweight, corrosion resistance, and almost maintenance-free over a long service life. The same techniques are used to make the world's largest fiberglass storage tanks. Small bore pipes made from GRE, glass-reinforced epoxy, have similar characteristics to the GRP pipes. but can tolerate high temperatures and very aggressive chemical compounds. They're used in industrial and chemical processes and play a major role in the oil and gas industries. Concrete cylinder pipes, up to 1,800 millimeters, and able to withstand pressures of up to 40 bar, are produced in one of 3 ASAL factories in Daman. In Jubail, ASAL produces its larger range of pipes up to 4,000 millimeters in diameter. For cross-country potable water transmission, seawater cooling, and sewerage systems. Seikop, another Amiantit company, has been manufacturing concrete pipes, jacking pipes, manholes, and inspection chambers in Jeddah's third industrial city since 1980. To reduce the need for open trench work in, for example, urban areas or airports, Seikop manufactures reinforced concrete jacking pipes. Made from the same composite of steel and concrete as reinforced concrete lined pipes, extra caging is provided to cope with the axial thrust. Water, the very basis of life itself, is probably the single most important commodity carried by Amiantit pipes. Cooling water for the heat exchangers of a gas plant in Saudi Arabia, or treated water for irrigation projects. Currently, Amiantit pipes carry water to the Castilla and Leon regions of Spain and the Batman irrigation siphon in Turkey. And they're greening the desert in the most arid regions of the Middle East. As importantly, they provide fresh water for homes in Kilis in Turkey or in Dimitrovgrad in Russia. As water and waste disposal form such a huge part of the Amiantit portfolio, it makes sense to offer its expertise in water and waste management services on a global scale. AmiWater, a wholly owned subsidiary of Amiantit, has won over 50 major water management projects across Europe, Africa, Asia, the Far East, and South America. Whether it's commissioning a water treatment plant in Thailand or meeting the needs of an entire city in Kazakhstan, AmiWater ensures that the supply is reliable, cost-effective, and meets international environmental standards. Water is not, of course, the only commodity which flows through Amiantit pipes. The group is a major supplier to the energy market, as well as to industry and municipal authorities. The supporting and spin-off technologies are also firmly under the group's control, ensuring quality and continuity of supply. Everything from rubber rings to glass fiber storage tanks. What is it that has made Amiantit so uniquely successful? Innovation has certainly been a major factor, as well as the continuous process of quality control at all stages of production. But on their own, these would not be enough. Equally important has been the quality of the people working for the group. Their development is taken very seriously by the company, which invests heavily in training. One of the reliable indicators of a healthy and successful company is the care it has for its workforce. A care returned by them as loyalty and commitment to the company. Whether it's their health or their life outside the workplace, Amiantit values them as its most important single resource. Looking ahead, the group is determined to build on almost 40 years of expansion. Innovation, growth, and quality are the keynotes of the future.